Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. So finally we have a graphics card. This is the second time I've ordered it, guys. This is the first time I ordered it. First time I ordered it was in December 2022. And yeah, Amazon was playing games with me, guys. I think they sold it at too low of a price, so what they did is what do you call it? I think they sold it at too low of a price, so what they did is they didn't fulfill anyone's order. So my one got delayed till December 2023, which is a full year. So after 14 days they automatically give you a refund if you've not had your item delivered. So yeah, I got full refund. But before that I was contacting customer service because I really wanted the product, you know what I mean. Because yeah, I've been waiting for a graphics card for a while now, and at a good price you can't really go wrong. So I originally bought it for 380 or something. I wish I had at that price still. Yeah, so this time around I bought it at £426. It is £480, but I get a discount on top just because business, you know, business account. So I've got a good amount cut off there, which is okay. It's not terrible, it's not the worst, but the price is still okay for what you gain, because this is basically MSI triple fan version. So it's called a Trio Gaming Trio X Gaming Trio Gaming Trio X. So MSI and AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT. So this is for 2K gaming. So it's good. Sorry guys. It's good for playing in 2K resolution, 1440p. It's got 12 gigabytes of memory, GDDR6, so very fast memory and very high amount of memory. So that's good for 4K and 2K. If you do want to play in like 2K, 4K, 2K, minimum I'd say you need is 10 gigabytes to run smoothly. It's got PCIe 4 support, even though there's a newer gen out, PCIe 5. But this graphics card is not a high-end graphics card, it's a mid-tier one. So this is on par with, it's basically on par with the 3070 and 3070 Ti. Like in between them two. In between all three of them actually, 3060 Ti, 3070 and 3070 Ti. In different scenarios it's got different performance levels. So in terms of ray tracing, NVIDIA will thrash this. NVIDIA will thrash this completely. That's what I'm saying, is compared to a 3060, you know what I mean, in between that and this, that. Because the 3060 will outdo this in RTX ray tracing performance. But on normal performance, where you're just running in 4K, 2K, in normal highest ultra settings, this will thrash the 3060, the 3060 Ti. It'll be on par with the 3070 and 3070 Ti, like this close to like 1-2 FPS, higher or lower. It's game dependent really. So yeah, this one I bought it for £426, like I said. This one they didn't cancel the order, which isn't good. But yeah, the price spiked literally as soon as I bought it. It went back to £700, sold by Amazon as well. So they put the price up literally after I bought it. I bought the last, there was 3 in stock left, that was by me. I bought one, and yeah, it went to £700 back. So why did I buy this over an NVIDIA? NVIDIA's 3070, they're retailing about £600-700 in shop right now. I got this for 400, so it saved about £300, you know, with better performance for the use case that I'm going to be using. Because I'm not going to be using it in, I'm not going to use ray tracing at all. It's pointless anyway. So the main reason I bought this is to run it at 2K 1440p in ultra settings. That's what I'm going to be running at. Hopefully getting about 100 FPS, 60 to 100 FPS hopefully. Should be able to hit 60, should be able to hit about 100. some games you're going to hit higher, all dependent on the games, and there's always option that can always overclock it and stuff, but that's all later stage. Okay, so they did put my fucking all the labels on here, which is stupid. That's what I don't like about this. They're being cheap with the packaging now, Amazon. So yeah, this is the MSI version of this card. There's different versions, obviously. There's Gigabyte, Asus, loads of different ones. The version I like is this MSI one, because everything on my PC is MSI. Okay, that's just the code, nothing else on there. You will need your you'll need your AMD drivers for this, by the way. Also, there has been some bad reviews saying that they've got used cards, so I don't know how to check if I have got a used card, because there is no seal on these things, but it is sold by Amazon. It's sold and fulfilled by Amazon, so hopefully it's a brand new one. Should be anyway, but you never know. So if I do fall into trouble with this, then I know it's a X. Oh, I like that. So this is like a gradient color, can you see? It changes to black to pink. Oh, I didn't notice that. Wow, that looks nice. There's like an RGB effect on that. So there, guys, that's what the thing is gonna look like. That's amazing, isn't it? So you can have the MSI logo light up. You have a light bar as well, and these 3 stripes. Fuck me, guys. Sorry about the got a bad cold in it. Okay, so TRI. What the hell's happened here? Hopefully it's not used. It should be new, because I did buy it new. But yeah, if we find out that it isn't new, because we'll know straight away. Yeah, when you don't have a new card and it's X mining card, what happens is you're gonna have a lot of problems with the card. You can get black screens and stuff. It's gonna crash a lot. So if that happens, I'm gonna return it within the 30-day period anyway. And yeah, we'll just leave it for a bit. Buy it from Scan maybe, rather than these guys. But I have a feeling it's brand new anyway, because it's sold by Amazon and fulfilled by Amazon, whereas some people, they bought it from Amazon and it's fulfilled by someone else, so company or something. So that's when you usually get used ones. So this is a brand new one. Okay, so TRI Frozr 2. Don't even know what the hell that is. Oh, thermal design. Okay, fair enough. Tox fan 4.0. So it does have 3 fans, like I said. Don't know what millimeter they are. We'll find out, I guess, if it says anyway. Masterpiece of teamwork, with fans working in pairs to create 100% levels. Okay. Airflow control, so you can guide where the airflow goes. Core pipe, so it's got heat pipes. Okay, very nice. And MSI Center, which I do have downloaded. You will need the graphics drivers, but I'll sort that out later. For now, we just unboxing video. Then next video I'll do a installation video. For the installation, I'm gonna have to do a bit of rewiring, I think, because I need some more ARGB ports for the holder. This does come with a graphics card brace, you know, the holder, because it is quite heavy, but it's not one that lights up. I've got one that lights up, but it needs plugging in, so I'm gonna have to find a slot for that. I guess. So minimum system requirements: PCIe Express compatible, yep. Minimum 650 watts or greater supply. We got 750, I think, or 850, I can't remember. That's fine. 8 gigs of system RAM. We've got, it's recommended 16, but we got 32 gigs, which is good. Installation software requires keyboard, mouse, and a display. We got that. HDMI display port is required. Got that. Okay, so we've got everything here. Bloody hell. Alright, so it's AMD RDNA 2 architecture, DirectX Ultimate, AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, that's your upscaling and stuff, AMD Radeon Super Resolution, hardware ray tracing. Okay, so it does have ray tracing support, it's just not as good as say your other stuff. GDDR6 memory, that's the latest, very fast. PCI Express 4.0, it's not the latest one, is 5.0, but for mid-tier graphics card is quite good actually. This one. AMD FreeSync technology, DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC, HDMI, so it does have both HDMI and DisplayPort. I think it's got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI, can't remember, we'll have to have a look. Video streaming up to 8K, which is mad. Radeon VR Ready Premium image sharpening, anti-lag software, game driver optimizations. Okay, so the GPU is yeah, blah, 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 12 gigs of okay, 192-bit memory bus. So yeah, it does have 3 display ports, 1 HDMI. Okay, let's go ahead and open this now. Okay, because it's an expensive item, I do not want to drop it, so I'm going to use 2 hands to open this box now. Okay, guys, ready guys? First unveil. Oh, beautiful. Hey, what the hell is this? Ooh, very nice. You pull on this to pull it out. Probably should use 2 hands, but I don't have 2 hands, so okay, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to get the rest out. 1 second guys. Okay guys, so inside the box is just a plain black box. They've actually made it black, which is nice of them. You don't really see that much, but yeah, this presentation is nice. I like this. Okay, let me switch it on where the MSI is. Or is this a booklet? Oh, a letter actually. Thank you MSI. Thank you for this letter addressed to me. Imagine the manuals inside. I'm guessing it will be. Oh, that's where everything is. Let's see what you get. Okay, you get the package install. Bloody hell, that's thick. That's your package content. You get the graphics card and papers. It just tells you how to install it, I think. And then there's another one, how to upgrade your PC with the new graphics card. This is another installation guide with cartoon style. It's pretty cool of them actually. There you go. Bloody hell. Okay, installation guide of the bracket. That's another one. Okay, that's another leaflet. Regulator, no, we don't need to see that one. And yeah, that's the reward program, but we've already missed the date on that. And yeah, there's nothing else in here. But yeah, I like that how they kept it as an envelope. So I'm gonna put everything back in there again, just so I don't lose anything. I guess. Don't know how to do. Should I just lift this up? Bam. Okay. So there's the graphics card. That looks beautiful. Right, this is the brace, I believe. Oh, that's actually very light. Everything seems packaged up, so it does. Maybe it is new. But then again, you can always open this and close it up again. Look. So we'll have a look at the GPU brace. So like I said, all this does is hold up the graphics card. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, let me get this out 1 second. I'm just going to pull it out. Okay guys, this is the GPU brace. So how this will sit is, graphics card will be on top, this will be below it, like that. And yeah, it'll be sitting on this. And yeah, this one doesn't light up, obviously. Would have had a wire if it does. But yeah, I've seen people say it's not a very good stand. Like it's not very high power. So getting your own one off the internet is better. It'll hold it better. So yeah, all you do is unscrew these screws on the side to install this, by the way. You got the PCIe slot, so below your hard drive, below your power supply. Graphics card, I mean. There you go. And these are risers, I think. You just stick them on here. I don't know. I'll have to have a look. So yeah, that's your ARGB thing. No ARGB. Your GPU brace. Your support brace. Okay. This is the main showstopper. Pussy popper. Alright, I'm gonna get this out with 2 hands. Not taking a chance of destroying this, because you know. Guys, it's out now. That's an anti-static bag. And that's in now. So yeah, to take it out, all you do is take this bit out. There's like a cubby, and then take this out. Literally just pull it out, easy as that. So the only 2 things holding in place. That's to stop it from vibrating in the post, I guess. But yeah, should I take it out for you guys? I don't know. The heat pipe doesn't look very, it looks a bit bent at the end, can you see? The two on the other end. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'll take it out for you guys. Have a look at it. So yeah, the only thing that's holding this in is this. So there's always the possibility it could be used because there's no way to tell. The only way you're gonna know is if you plug in and you keep getting problems after installing your drivers and stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's new anyway because it's Amazon sold by Amazon. If it was by a different company selling it on Amazon, that's a different question, you know. So yeah, I'm going to take this out now. Hopefully I'm going to discharge myself first so I don't destroy any components. You discharge yourself by touching metal, so I'm going to go do that. Bloody hell, that is a beautiful graphics card, guys. Oh my god. Well, the thing is, guys, when I was taking out that, it is heavy as fuck. That's what I'm going to tell you. It is a very heavy card. That's the only problem with this card. That is why you need that GPU brace. But yeah, from what I can see, it's got two big heat sinks. One there, one on this side. And yeah, loads of fans, fins, none of them damaged, that's good. There's your PCIe slot, you've got a cover on, you just take it off when you're installing it. Same with these HDMI ports and DPI ports, whatever they're called. It's got just cover on it, you just take it off. Look how nice this design is, guys. Okay, I'll turn this around. Okay, so on the back side you got the MSI logo, so this side will glow up, and then you got the white strip at the bottom, that's gonna glow up as well, so that'll be nice to see. And yeah, there's your connectors, wires, so your wires will go in there in these two ports here. So because it has two ports, it's best to use two wires because each slot can give you 150 watts of power. Now, this one is recommended 650, but we never use 650. It uses 200 and just above 250. So 150, these two ports, one port is 150, the other port is 150, that's 300 watts there. And this can do 75 watts, so the max we can pull out of this 375 watts, I believe, from the wires, from the power supply and the wires. But it's never going to use that much anyway. It uses 250 something at max, so yeah. But yeah, for smoother power delivery, it's good to plug in both cables if the two ports are there, you know what I mean, PCIe ports. Not PCIe, what the hell they called, man? The thing on the power supply, them ports, whatever the fuck is called, I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called, guys. It's the one below the CPU, basically. So yeah, that's beautiful, guys. What do you think about that? I'm really happy with this purchase. Very beautiful card. Like everything in my PC case, it's been beautiful. So oh wait, like to check all the fans are free flowing. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see me install this, stay tuned, and there'll be a video out soon. Well, I don't know how, when I'm going to upload this, but yeah, we'll see. Good night, guys.